inside an artery, like spying through the window in a room with two armchairs and a chemistry textbook to capture